When I found out that Amazon was that girl, I really started to shop. Like, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shayla Michelle, and as you know, I'm here with a cute little haul. I have some goodies that I got from Amazon. I have a lot of accessories that I've kind of collected over the few years. When I found out that Amazon was that girl, I really started to shop. Like, I mean, everything that I show hopefully is still available. It's accessories, so of course there's gonna be earrings, necklaces, and bags. I went into my first pair of earrings. I do love these. Like, these are so cute and dainty. Like, I feel like these is giving Fred Flintstone. Like, they're getting, what is his wife? Wilma? Is it Wilma? I don't know. It's giving her. Of course they're not real gold, but they have not tarnished. I've had these for like over a year now, and these have not been worn. And they have not tarnished either. So as you can see, let me see, like, not tarnished. I've had these for a while now. They are super heavy. I wore them one time, and all of the bags that I seem to put on the back of this earring pop off because the earrings are just that damn heavy. A few hours, I typically take these off. Earrings. Now these tarnished, but I really do like these. These are not really heavy, but kind of change colors just a hair. Whatever these earrings are made of, they irritate my ear. And that is me personally. I don't think this is a thing that happens to everybody. It's these girls, like the costume jewelry. I'm not a big costume jewelry fan. She is a moment. She's a moment. They're top two, and they're definitely number two. So they're top two, and they're definitely number two, okay? So it is these. Look at her. She's so cute. Baby, she blings. She blings. In my ear, I didn't have any bad experiences with these either. I have had these for over a year. Every single time I wear the headband and I wear the earrings, like a moment. You can't tell me it ain't. If you're a simplistic girl and you just want something that looks a little bit different, I definitely think these are worth it. Geometric earrings, so cute. I thought they were like very interesting. I thought that they would be like super cute and different to wear. Everyone is getting their form of these somewhere, somehow. And it is these Bottega dupes. Heavy metal. They're more like kind of like, they feel a little plastic, but they're not like that light like plastic. But like, do you hear it? But I love these. Like, I literally have no complaints. It is just one of those statement pieces that I feel like just makes everything like classic. Like, this is one of my favorite pair, and I actually don't get to wear these often either, and these don't bother me. They're just such a cute earring that you have to wear them with the right outfit, or it's just gonna look kind of weird, I feel like. But it's these. It's like torn piece of fabric, and they're studs. So cute, right? In love with the back that they gave, because that is so perfect. Legitimately love these. So I've been into like hoops a lot. These are plastic, so my ear, they're very light. I didn't pay, I don't think, more than like $15 for. You can wear her to work, because this is what I wear to work. I honestly wear these earrings to work a lot. And up on the last set of earrings, my favorite. They're top two, and they're not number two. I said it right this time. I have worn them out. Like, they don't look bad. Wore these on my TikTok, and the girls went crazy. These for over a year now, so they did what they came to do. They did it. I mean, they're not real, so of course they're gonna change colors eventually. Like I said, these are about $15, so She's a moment. And I didn't stop at purchasing the gold. I also bought the silver. I want to say, like, they look like little drops. Can you see them? Okay. They're so cute. Like, got a little weight to them. So like I said, I've been a hoop girl, and lately that's all you can catch me in. She's very like straight to the point. She's just there. She's just there making a moment. That's it. Never have too many. Moving on, I actually have some bracelets. These are supposed to be like the dupe of the Cartier bracelets. When you rub them up against stuff, the color starts to rub off. Like, these actually are still in great shape. I wear the gold one quite a lot. I wore the silver one to death. Yeah, to death. I feel like everybody has these. She's cute. Very dainty, straight to the point. Look at her. This is how I wear her. And they had a set of 3 where you could get a rose gold, silver, and a gold, just one of each, and I think it was like $20. But that was a really good price, because if you only wanted one, there's your one. Along with the Cartier dupes, I have the Cartier dupe ring. There it go. She is so freaking cute. Like, very simplistic, very dainty, straight to the point, and that mimics that same thing. I think she was nothing but $10, and I literally washed my hands in this jewelry, and it has not turned. So shout out to Amazon for that. Like, girl, you is doing it. And I got this from Jeronica Mycia. She had posted this years ago, and she said it was a dupe of a Gucci bamboo necklace. I literally wear her all the time. This is my favorite. Now, I don't know if you ever had like the metal smell. She does give off that little metal smell, and she's very long. I paid probably like $15, $20 for her. Coming up on our last few pieces, and I'm just kind of gonna run through them because it's literally only like 2 bags. It was a statement bag, but it was very popular, and I love the fact that people duped it. I'm so happy that they did, because I was not paying for the original bag. The original bag was thousands of dollars. It was this bag, and it was like blowing up. The problem that I had out of this bag is it is literally like a bag that you use to go out. Okay, this is what you have as the actual bag part. So tiny. This is all you can fit. Cute. She's a moment. Love her. Worth it, I feel. And it came with a crossbody, like as you can see, like right here, came with like crossbody strap. The crossbody strap was very cheap looking, so I immediately took it off. I'm taking it off. It's the last Amazon piece. Toes are here, and they're here to stay. I think they're just getting a lot of attraction. Isn't she cute? She's very cute, classic, very straight to the point. She buckles, and then she opens like this. Like, she's a moment. She can hold a lot of stuff. She is very much an Amazon bag, because let me tell you what she does. You see this? Let me see. From the wear and tear of carrying it like this, that is the downfall of this bag. So you can put a lot of things in it if you're gonna carry it like this. If you plan to carry it like this, you can't weigh it down, because it will rip this part up. So I try my best not to put a lot of things in here. Like, I put very little, like wallet, phone, lip gloss, lipstick, just your minimal thing, like powder, and that's probably like it. Like, these are Dior dupes, so I'm gonna throw that in there. I have on the Amazon lip gloss, the Dior dupe. She's good. I have her in pink, and I have her in orange, because Dior got me messed up. I'm not paying $40 for a lip gloss, girl. Bye. Like, it's lip gloss, for God's sake. And I actually really like this. This is really thick. And it lasts a long time. And it smells good. It gives like this minty taste. She's a winner. And she's like, what, like $5, $10 maybe? For all you young ladies that's paying $40 for a lip gloss, you're crazy. That concludes the haul. I wholeheartedly hope that they're still available, and that I really do love. I am gonna link whatever is available. If it is not linked, it is not available, and I'm so sorry. If you love the video and if you feel like this was very informative and you want to see more of this, like, comment, and subscribe. And that is really it, guys. Come back and see your girl. Make sure you hit that bell notification. Bye.
It's not that I don't